appreciate our teachers. Thanks for your contribution for our school teacher. Thank you, Mr. Thank you, madam, for your hard work and sincerity. Madam, ready? Appreciating Mr. Srilekha Wilson. Thanks, Akka. Both of them are worked a lot for our function. Next, Manoj sir. Next, I'm reading the other list. She's also one of our best supporters. All time she is supporting us. Thanks, Mrs. Gajarishni. Mrs. D. Hemalata, our principal, to introduce our chief guest now. Dr. Yelumalai Sharma will deliver speech.